Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the OBS Virtual Camera in BlueStacks. So first open BlueStacks and go to settings. After that open the display tab, change the resolution to match your monitor and set the DPI to 320. Then save the changes and restart BlueStacks. After that go back to settings and open the devices tab. Then select OBS Virtual Camera and save the changes. I only have OBS Virtual Camera installed on my PC. So now minimize BlueStacks and open OBS Studio. I already added my image, so I am going to start the virtual camera. After that minimize the OBS Studio and open the camera app in BlueStacks. As you can see, the image is blurry and not clear. To fix this, you need either a real webcam or a DroidCam virtual output installed on your PC. So I am going to connect my real webcam. After that close the BlueStacks and open it again. Then go back to settings, open the devices tab and select OBS Virtual Camera again. Now when I open the camera app, you can see it's working perfectly. Keep in mind that BlueStacks only supports the 720p camera resolution. I hope this video helped you. So if it did, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.